Hello guys, this is Jude, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remain anonymous when you send bitcoins. As we all know, Bitcoin transactions are not really anonymous but rather pseudonymous. What this means is that when you send Bitcoin to someone, he will be able to know your Bitcoin wallet address, and once he knows that, he can find out your Bitcoin wallet balance, who you receive Bitcoin from, who you send Bitcoin to, the time, and all of that. Most persons don't want to divulge this information, especially to some certain person. So what they do is to use privacy coins like Monero. But the thing is that Bitcoin is still the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency, and most persons will rather deal in Bitcoins. So to still truly remain anonymous, you can make use of services such as BitcoinMixer. Thus, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Bitcoin transactions untraceable using BitcoinMixer. Not only Bitcoin, but other currencies like Ethereum and Litecoin. So, if you're ready for this video, let's get started. To get started, we go to bitcoinmix.org. The link is in the description. Now, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, click the sub button right away and subscribe. We release awesome videos like this every other week. You can actually confirm this by checking out our older videos. Now, when you're in bitcoinmix.org, you can see the site is quite simple. You don't need to register anything. It's just straightforward. Go to the BTC Mix section and start your transaction. As said earlier, you can mix Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And for this video, we want to mix Ethereum. So once here, you enter your Bitcoin wallet address here. So let me just copy that. Then you can choose your time delay. This is just for extra layer of privacy. It doesn't really matter. So I enter next once I've done this. Now, you see the transaction is pending here, and the minimum amount I can send is 0.5 ETH. I shouldn't send less than that. If I send less than that, bitcoinmix.org sees it as a donation, so don't make that mistake. So I want to send 0.53 ETH. I'm sending it to the address. I've already entered the address I'm sending it to, and this is what I'm going to receive, 0.51 ETH. The transaction fee is 2.13%. Now, when you're doing this, it might change. The fee is usually between 2% to 5%. It varies. So right here, I'm paying 2.13%, of course, plus the network fee. So what I do now is to go ahead and make transfer of 0.53 ETH to this address. So let me copy it and go to my blockchain wallet and do that. So I've sent the coin. Let me go back to BitcoinMix. So the transaction is still pending. So I'll just wait for it to be confirmed. I can go ahead and download the letter of guarantee. Now, if there's any issue with my transaction, with my letter of guarantee, I can come here to contact support to give my complaints. So I can download. I download that right away. So my Bitcoin, the Bitcoin has been received. As you can see here, it says Mixer received the coin. Transaction 7 transactions. Once it's up to 30 transactions, the Bitcoin will be sent to me. That is for Ethereum. Ethereum requires 30 transactions. Bitcoin requires 3 transactions. Litecoin, I think I need to go back to find that out. But Ethereum is for a 30 transaction. Bitcoin is 3 transactions. Litecoin is 4 transactions. Now the transaction has received 36 confirmation now. And you can see the time is remaining 5 minutes. Now ordinary, if I receive 30 confirmation, the coin should be sent to my wallet and the order status here should be marked as complete. But the time I chose for a transaction is 20 minutes. That is why it's waiting for this 5 minutes to count down before my coin is sent to me. So I just wait for the 5 minutes to count down and I'll check my wallet to know if the coin has arrived. Now my order has been marked as completed. So let me go check my wallet to know if I've received the coin. I'm yet to receive the coin. I'll just refresh this page. Yes, I have received the coin in my wallet. And what I received, let me move this. What I received here is 0.517 ETH. So what I send is 0.53 ETH and what I receive is 0.1551 ETH. So that is how you mix the coin. But there's one more thing. Let's go confirm if the coin was truly mixed. All right, that is what we're going to do right now. So go with me. Now let's look at the Ethereum transaction to know if it was truly untraceable. Now this is my Ethereum address, the one I marked as mine, that started with 0x7. Now I sent 0.5 or 53 Bitcoin from this address and it moved to this address. And from this address, 0.5 BTC was moved to this next address. And from this address, nothing happened. The Ethereum did not go out. Now, I received 0.51 ETH to my address from this address. So when I checked this address, I saw that 0.51 Bitcoin moved from this address to my address, but it had only one other transaction that happened 18 days ago. So you see, say this is my, if this was my wallet address and I'm sending say to a friend's, if it was a friend's wallet address, if this was my friend's wallet address, so if I send ETH from my wallet address to this address, he can't trace it back to me, right? Because this address is a dead end, and here too, for me, if you're tracing mine, is also a dead end. So I think, or from this, you can see the transaction was truly untraceable, and BitcoinMixer worked. I received my Bitcoin, I received my Ethereum in due time. There was no delay of any sort. And so this brings us to the end of this video. Now, if you want to get more info on BitcoinMixer, its legitimacy, reputation, is it trustworthy, is it a scam, and all that, what you should do is to read my blog post. I give all this detail there. The link is in the description. All right. So this again brings us to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed yet, click the sub button to subscribe and share with your friends. We're currently at just above 1,000 subscribers. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. So help us get there by sharing this video. See you in my next video.